What's up, YouTube? So in this video I'm going to talk about the throttle delete for Xcessive Manufacturing for my Lexus IS300. Now I'm in my Honda going to work or whatever, and I would do the review, you know, driving the Lexus, but right now my cousin, they're borrowing the car right now. Why, I don't know, because I mean, there's nothing wrong with helping out family and stuff like that, but for me personally, I didn't want anybody driving the car because I know what's wrong with it, and it's honestly not the safest thing to be driving, but it is what it is, I guess. So after driving the car for about, I say at least 1,000 miles, whatever, with it, personally, I feel like it's kind of uncomfortable to use it because for one, it makes the pedal really stiff. And, you know, I mean, you can get used to it, but it's kind of annoying at the end of the day, being used to, you know, drive-by-wire and the pedal being really soft and easy to deal with. As well, when the car is cold, or the engine's cold, and you just did a cold start, and you start driving the car with the engine cold, you can feel that the throttle body is kind of forcing against the piece. And when you step on the gas, the engine kind of sputters a little bit every time you press on the gas, but it's only when it's cold. As soon as it warms up, then it's fine. As well, you get a little bit of feedback when you let off the throttle. You feel again the throttle body trying to resist against the piece, and the throttle will like bobble just a little bit. You can feel it. It's not like it does anything, but you can just feel a little rattle in the pedal when you lift off the throttle. I don't know if y'all can hear that blow-up valve I just put on here. But yeah, in terms of response, after driving it for a little bit and I got used to the car, it doesn't really make much of a difference at all, to be honest. Now, in my previous video, the reason why I seemed excited is because, you know, to me, it felt like the car was faster. And the reason why is because the entire time I've been driving my car since my father first gave it to me, the car had bad O2 sensors, and then I hurt the motor from running it with no oil, and I didn't know, because, you know, I was a beginner driver, didn't know to check it and stuff like that. The engine was basically in limp mode, and it was really hurt, and I'm pretty sure it made less than 100 horsepower straight up, because I can go against a Prius and I'll most definitely lose that race, I guarantee you. But we swapped the motor and the trans. Again, my trans is retarded. There's nothing I can do about it right now until I get swap parts for a manual swap. But yeah, the car was a lot quicker and the engine was really peppy, so to me, that was my first time driving it or getting on it in that video. It felt amazing to me. I thought the delete really made much of a difference, but technically it really doesn't. But now in terms of like, does it harm your engine? No, it doesn't. It does not do anything. It would not hurt your throttle body, it won't hurt anything unless you just got some weird issues with your car. I haven't had any mechanical issues with it other than the fact of it's just uncomfortable to use, drivability wise. Let's do a little pull for fun. Now, I do have a little bit of a boost leak because when we installed the blow-up valve, we accidentally dropped like the bottom bolt to it, and it's in the under tray somewhere, and then we dropped the freaking ratchet as well, so I don't know where it is. I don't even know if it came out of the under tray yet. So it's got a little bit of boost leak because it's not bolted all the way down, and I can tell that the car is very slightly lower on power, but it's nothing like crazy or nothing like that. Nothing to really notice. But anyway, now with the throttle delete, it does give you, you know, I guess the direct use of the throttle body. You know, when you press on the gas, you give like 10%. That equals 10% for the throttle body versus, you know, the computer giving a little bit more, a little bit less based on your throttle position. Again, overall, this is gonna be a short video, but overall, my opinion is don't really think it's necessary. I don't think anybody really needs to use it. It's a cool product that Xcessive Manufacturing came up with. I'm not bashing them, nothing like that. I'm not saying it's trash or nothing like that. It's just my opinion. It's not necessary. You're not gonna really get any true gains from it. And if anything, it'll probably hurt your drivability just a little bit in terms of comfortability, like I said earlier. So that's really all I have to say about it. Again, this is probably gonna be like a 4-minute video or something like that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I am going to do the what's it called? I am going to show the blow-off valve install. That's also going to be a little short video because it was actually pretty simple. The only thing that made it difficult is that we was working on it with the car hot. But I'll see you guys in the next one.